In this lesson, we will continue with the creating of our web part. So first we install the npm install at pnp slash sp at 2.11.0 npm install at pnp slash sp at 2.11.0. Boom, that's it. Yeah, keep going. Now we are going to done. So we will remove the code that is not necessary. We remove this, return. We will just create a button to save the to create the item. So we put primary button. Text is equal to save or create, either one. We will try to use single quotes. On click is equal to this dot create item, and create item is a function. Private create item is equal to async. Why async? Anyone? Yeah. So if it takes time, it doesn't matter. So const the item that is created is equal to await sp dot web dot lists dot get by title. Employees list. Ah, employees dot items dot add, and you have to pass it in a JSON form. So we will put title colon WPO WP underscore create. So the code is ready. The code is ready. We just have to add the references. Yeah, so a primary button came, import sp from pnp slash sp. One by one we'll add. Import add pnp sp slash webs. And then similarly we'll do with the lists and items. We just copy this items. Let's check. Create item is equal to async constant item is equal to await sp.web.lists.get by title employees dot items dot add this title colon wp underscore create, and then the references are okay, so it should be auto save. Okay, very good. Now we follow our build. Gulp bundle minus minus ship or hyphen hyphen ship. Gulp package solution ship. So as pointed in the previous lesson, this will create under SharePoint solution this package file 606, correct, right time. Go to our side. This I have shown you already. This is from the previous lesson, so we can delete it. It's done right away. We say upload, so the files, create the new one. Very nice. We don't add to Teams. This is the employees list. And this is our previous one. Well, let's try to refresh. It should reload the web part. Ah, yes. Save. You can type some alert message. WP create. I delete it just to show once more time. Click save. Ta-da! All the things I have shown, it's in the comment section of this video.